Hi, it's Alison Mead here on my keto fitness journey, and this is the start of my new habit. All through the summer and all through lockdown, I lay in every day till at least 9 o'clock, and I did my daily walk in the evenings, but it's getting dark again already and it's getting more and more awkward to walk then. And I used to have a habit of getting up in the morning and walking my dog Daisy in our local forest before the start of the working day, and I lost that habit. I like snuggling into bed too much. So this is another accountability post to say this is the start of a new habit. What time is it now? Looking at my watch. It's 5 to 9 in the morning, because we're going to start gently. And I'm going to do a 40-minute walk and then get back to my desk to do a bookkeeping job today with my lovely friend Helena, where I remote into her computer and do her bookkeeping for her, and we exchange information and chat via video chat at the same time. So it's just like it was before pre-lockdown, where we can chat and catch up while I get her work done for her. But we're not actually having to be in an enclosed space together. But I will be better for it today because I will have already had my walk. So this is it now. This is my habit. I wanted to show you my dog Daisy, but I don't think I can spin the camera around once it's recording. So that's where we'll go like that. There's Daisy. Daisy, say hello. And she's going to go dashing off now. I will speak to you soon. Bye.